What is going on, everyone? This is Dylan from WeTheCoasters checking in to Busch Gardens Tampa as we're here on basically known as 420 day. Nothing special going on today, but it is a beautiful day out here, and it's right now in the 70s, but it'll be warming up to the 80s a little later on. And this is technically after Easter crowds, so the crowds should not be terrible today. However, a little bit of work going on with the lion over here as you walk into the park. And you can see as you walk in, really don't look too busy, but crowds can be walking on in a little later on today. And of course, I think probably around 1 o'clock, maybe 2, it should be a little crowded. But we have a little special collab that'll be going on a little later on today, and you'll be seeing him shortly. Just want to point this out too. They got this sign that's been coming out recently, so just to say, hey guys, be nice. But we're about ready to walk into the park. Let's enjoy today's visit. So, without further ado, enjoy today's feature presentation. So we're about ready to head over to SheiKra first. Gwazi was like a 75-minute wait just as the park a little after open. So yeah, we're gonna try SheiKra, see how that goes. All right, we are getting in line for SheiKra. Let's get ready to ride. Yeah, right? Going down.
Kijk links, kijk links.
We did SheiKra twice, front and back. And now we're getting ready to do Tigris, front row. This is gonna be awesome. Let's let them come by first and say, saw dude. Saw dude. All right, let's get on. We got Tiger Watch ready in the queues to go. Whoa. Here we go. Holy crap, here we go. Let's go. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh, wow, you had air time on that thing, I forgot. All right. Yeah. I know, right? Right at the top. Yeah, right. Woo! Oh man. Yep. Right now. Woo! Ah!
Oh, wow.
No, back to scene. Holy crap! Whoa! I know. Woo! They packed some G's on the back. So it's definitely one of those days. As we're getting ready to Kumba next. Hold the thought, let it come through here again. We're about ready to ride what many could be rumored that this ride could close. Every other ride that's here is 5-minute wait with the exception of Iron Gwazi, and it probably will be the same for Cobra Spurs and Cheetah being the wait time. But there's another catch. Kumba's only one of one train, and it's a walk-on almost, so ain't that some fun. Time to suffer on this ride again. Yeah, right? Oh, wait till you see that big horse. Yeah.
These older lift hills are such a slow slope of an angle to go up.
Oh, I know, it's
The
weird.
new lift hills, you just go straight up.
Wait to see how they for Iron Gwazi, man. Oh, shit. Like, Iron Gwazi, you'll feel that one, man. It's crazy. Oh, no kid. Only one I did with the vertical lift was Rip Ride Rocket. That's insane, man. That's one time you do it, you're like, wow. The ride's weird, but that vertical lift was awesome. Here we go, time for the Rattler. Whoa! That thing shakes over there so bad.
That's King the car, man.
Oh my god.
That thing is...
Ahora siéntese hacia atrás y disfrute del paseo de la experiencia de usted.
Oh man, the wind's picking up today. Uh-oh. Right. Oh man. Woo. Oh, there's a tree in the way. Oh my god. Those brakes are strong. Just to let you know, man, this thing's gonna haul ass, man. So you could. I would say hold on, but there's not really much to hold on to there.
No, these arms are pretty much.
You got that one little bar to your right hand.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, quick side note. That roll that we're going underneath, it's gonna be some wild crap, man. So you better be ready on that one. I still hate this part right here, man. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Holy shit. Whoa! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Last one! Holy crap, man!
that is awesome.
Worth the price of admission, huh?
Oh, yes,
Holy crap, that's awesome. Oh, that is wild.
That is a good ride.
Freaking awesome. So as you can see, we got off Iron Gwazi on the front row. Next stop that we're going to go to is Cheetah Hunt. Also notice they don't have the banner day, but it is a bit windy, so there's that. But regardless, good day so far. Weather's been gorgeous, by the way. Getting ready to do Cheetah Hunt in a little bit, but I can already tell you, I'm going to hate this ride. I hate these damn restraints. Oh well, time to suffer. That's funny. Someone just threw it down there. They're just like, oh, let's throw a water ball down there. See, because now we're doing the stupid route, because it's like I just want to just take off as I go. Yeah. This is more just like, your guys kind of waiting, and then like, oh, clear your top hat, let's go. All right, shoulders, do your thing. Get destroyed by this lap bar and make myself feel great. Speaking of cleanup, I thought they were going to do this last time they closed this ride down. Oh, shit. Oh, good lord! Woo! I forgot, I haven't done this since the repaint. Woo! What comes time? Oh, shit. Whoa! Oh, there goes my shoulders.
Yeah, I'm feeling those right now.
I'm so glad I'm sitting on the right side of this part here, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Nice time.
Good.
So Carver's Curse really isn't long of a wait. That's the first. It's only 15 minutes. So, hey there, dude. So, yeah, that's where the line's going up to there, and we gotta go a little bit up to there. So, let's do it. Hey guys, and before I end up on this video and end it kind of somewhat abruptly and all that, but I just want to say, the last 5 clips I did, they kind of cut out, and nothing you can really do in that unfortunate circumstance. Obviously, things kind of happen, and you can't win in them all and everything. But just to clarify on what happened, we got out of Discovery's Curse, we did Montu, and then we head back to Iron Gwazi to do, you know, a back row ride, which that was awesome, and someone really enjoyed Iron Gwazi. Got their new #1, and they were very satisfied. So it was a really, really good day overall. And then once we did those 2 rides, we got out of Busch Gardens Tampa. We left for the day, and then the following day went over to SeaWorld Orlando. So you'll see the SeaWorld Orlando vlog a little later on. But yeah, as far as Busch Gardens is concerned, again, it was a great day overall. I was very satisfied, and I think both of us were really happy with what we got done. We got our content what we needed, and we had a really good time. Weather was great as well, so I can't be really disappointed as a whole. You can see they were also doing work on the roof, making it blue, so they're really trying to modernize it. Again, I want to give some love to WeTheCoasters, aka Scooter. Definitely check out his content. I'll leave a link at the bottom in the description and on the top right corner of the card. Check out his content. You will love it. Hands down, high recommend. This dude deserves a lot of love. He has some crazy, awesome video editing skills. So give him the love. He needs it. He deserves it. He is a trooper, and what a dude. He's awesome. Until then, this is Dylan from WeTheCoasters signing off. If you liked it, be sure to give a like, comment your thoughts of this video. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Hit that bell notification on any future uploads. Follow us on our Instagram as well, at WeTheCoasters. And other than that, I will see you guys later. Until that next video that comes on out. Again, this is Dylan from WeTheCoasters signing off. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone, no matter where you're from. Now let's go ahead and have some good times and ride on, man. Until then, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.